Gold 905. Sounds good. Feels good.
Do you recall when you were small?
When it comes to our makan kakis, we like to start them young. A is for
Aboling. Acha. Ayam siyo.
B is for
Biryani. Bakwan kepiting. Bobo chacha.
C is for
Chicumpan. Char kway teow. Chili crab.
with your feel-good food guide, Makan Kakis, featuring me, Denise, of the Lunchtime Jukebox, and my rolling panel of foodie friends and culinary personalities.
Appam. Bak chor mee. Chicken rice.
Tantalizing new episodes every Thursday, and our entire archive of recommendations is available online and via podcast on the free Me Listen app.
I like carrot cake. Chai tao kueh. I like chai tao kueh too.
No matter what you like to eat, it'll be child's play deciding where your next meal will be.
Chai kueh. Bakwa. Chendol. Wonton mee.
Makan Kakis, only on Gold 905. Sounds good, feels good.
I like chicumpan.
Get real, get original. Get your last chance to grab the best deals and join in the grand prize draw at the Laz Mall Brand Fiesta. 5 lucky winners will walk away with product hampers worth $1,800 each. Check out by midnight tonight to secure your chance to win and score the best deals on 18,000 authentic brands. Don't miss your last chance to check it out. Celebrate originality with the Laz Mall Brand Fiesta. Sale ends midnight. Shop now.
Thank you for spending your weekends on Gold 905. Sounds good. Feels good.
I would never find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than you. And I would never find another lover more precious than you, more precious than you. The girl you are. Close to me, you're like my mother. Close to me, you're like my father. Close to me, you're like my sister. Close to me, you're like my brother. You are the only one, you're my everything. And for you, the song I sing. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I hope that you feel the same way too. Yes, I pray that you do love me too. I said you're all that I'm thinking of, baby. And I promise to never fall in love with a stranger. You're all I'm thinking of. I praise the Lord above for sending me love.